This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook miso black cod. First, let's prepare our delicious marinade. You'll need 1/2 cup of white miso paste, 1/4 cup of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients together until they form a smooth, consistent paste. This flavorful mixture is the secret to our dish's incredible taste, infusing the cod with a rich, umami sweetness. It's a simple, yet essential first step. Now that our marinade is ready, it's time to prepare the black cod. Take 4 6-ounce fillets and pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This helps the marinade adhere better. Generously coat each piece of cod with the miso mixture, ensuring every surface is covered. Then, place the marinated cod in an airtight container and refrigerate it for a minimum of 24 hours, or ideally, up to 2 days, for maximum flavor absorption. With your cod perfectly marinated, it's time to cook. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or set your broiler to high. Before cooking, gently wipe off most of the excess marinade from the fillets to prevent burning. You can bake the cod for about 12 to 15 minutes or broil it for 5 to 7 minutes. The fish is ready when it's opaque and flakes easily with a fork, showcasing a beautiful caramelized crust. Your exquisite miso black cod is now ready to be served. For a beautiful presentation and a touch of freshness, garnish each fillet with some thinly sliced green onions. This dish pairs wonderfully with simple sides like steamed white rice, which perfectly complements the rich flavors of the fish. Blanched asparagus or a light salad also make excellent accompaniments. Enjoy the incredible balance of sweet, savory, and umami in every bite of this culinary delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.